Axie cost exceptionally equivalent to $4.9785 a coin. The present range, $4.87, $5.11. The earlier day close, $4.90. The change truly was plus 0.0695, plus 1.42%, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Backwards rate, USD to X. Axie value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Axie cost expectation for June 2023, or so they most certainly thought. At the outset, cost at $6.85. Greatest cost $7.95. Beautiful least cost $3.13. The normal for the month $5.36. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.49. Change for June 49.1%, or so they thought. Axie to USD expectations for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at $3.49 in an unobtrusive manner. Greatest cost $3.91. Least cost $2.72. The normal for the month $3.26. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.93. Change for July 16.0%, or so they really thought. Axie cost expectation for August 2023. To start with, cost at $2.93. Greatest cost $2.93. Least cost $2.36. The normal for the month $2.69 in an unpretentious manner. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.54. Change for August 13.3%, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie to USD expectations for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at $2.54. Greatest cost $2.56. By and large, least cost $2.22 in a significant manner. The normal for the month $2.43 in an unpretentious manner. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.39. Change for September 5.9%. Axie cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $2.39, in spite of prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost $2.39, least cost $1.95. The very normal for the month $2.21. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.10. Change for October 12.1% in an extremely significant manner. Axie to USD expectations for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $2.10, which especially is very critical. Most extreme cost $2.10, least cost $1.70, or so they certainly thought. The normal for the month $1.93, which is genuinely critical. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $1.83. Change for November 12.9%, or so they explicitly thought. Axie cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $1.83. Most extreme cost $2.27. Least cost $1.83. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of normal for the month $2.01, which is very critical. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2.12. Change for December 15.8%. Axie to USD expectations for January 2024, or so they thought. In the first place, cost at $2.12 in a significant manner. Most extreme cost $2.12. Least cost $1.70 in a significant way. The normal for the month $1.94 in an unpretentious manner. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $1.83. Change for January 13.7%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie cost expectation for February 2024 incredibly. First and foremost, cost at $1.83. Greatest cost $1.83. By and large, least cost $1.43 in an unpretentious manner. The normal for the month $1.66. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.54. Change for February 15.8%. Axie to USD expectations for WALC 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset, cost at $1.54 incredibly. Greatest cost $1.54. Least cost $1.20. The normal for the month $1.39 in a kind of significant manner. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $1.29. Change for spring 16.2%, which is very huge. Axie cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $1.29. Most extreme cost $1.29. Least cost $1.07, which is very huge. The normal for the month $1.20 in a significant manner. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $1.15. Change for April 10.9%. Axie to USD expectations for May 2024, which for the most part is very huge. Before all else cost at $1.15. Most extreme cost $1.15, especially least cost 90 cents. The normal for the month $1.04. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end 97 cents. Change for May 15.7%. Axie cost expectation for June 2024, which is genuinely critical. At the outset cost at $0.97. Greatest cost $1.21. Least cost 97 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. The normal for the month $1.07, which is genuinely huge. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.13. Change for June 16.5%. Axie to USD expectations for July 2025. At the outset cost at $2.13. Greatest cost $2.64. Least cost $2.13 in a significant way. The sort of normal for the month $2.34, which is genuinely critical. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.47. Change for July 16.0%. USD to Axie conversion scale equivalent to 0.2009 Axies per $1. Today, S reach 0.1954 minus 0.2050 amazingly. The past day, S nearby 0.2037. Change for now 0.0028, 1.37%. USD to Axie expectations for June 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Initially cost at 0.146 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.319. Kind of least 0.126, or so they truly thought. The normal for the month 0.220, which is very critical. The USD to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.287. Change for June 96.6%. Dollar to Axie figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 0.287 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.368. Genuinely least 0.256, which is genuinely critical. The really normal for the month 0.313. The USD to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.341. Change for July 18.8% and in an every way that really matters, huge way. USD to Axie expectations for August 2023. In the first place cost at 0.341 Axies, which is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 0.424. Least 0.341 incredibly. The normal for the month 0.375. The USD to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.394. Change for August 15.5%. Dollar to Axie conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 0.394 Axies, or so they truly thought. Most extreme cost 0.450. Least 0.391. The normal for the month 0.413. The USD to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.418. Change for September 6.1%.